Hi, I'm a mom of 2 under 2, an exclusive pumper, and I'm part of the What to Expect community, and I'm gonna go over the Momcozy S9. Look at how much milk I got. Let's review it. First off, I just wanna say, look at how sleek this is. It looks like it's gonna fit perfectly, and it does have a digital reading for the minutes, the level, the suction, everything you need. Both hold 6 ounces each in the containers, which is perfect. One of my favorite things about the Momcozy S9 is that it is see-through on the containers, so you can see how much milk you're getting, if your nipples aligned well on the breast pump. I'm gonna be honest, they're not too discreet, but it also depends on what you wear. These do go up to 9 levels, and it can do a letdown and a suction at the same time. Okay, I pumped for 12 to 15 minutes, and let's see how much milk I got. Look at that. One thing that I'm not a huge fan about these is that it doesn't sit upright. Down here, you have to put it like this to sit like this. That last ½ ounce to 1 ounce doesn't always come out as quickly. I did get a good amount of output from it in just 12 to 15 minutes. Just make sure that your pumps are charged and sanitized before you use them.
I don't know about you, but somebody here could use a drink. It's her. We're talking about breast pumps. Yeah, it's her. I'm Jacqueline. I'm a professional organizer, a recent mom of 2, and a member of the What to Expect Moms community, not just for tracking what size fruit your baby is in utero. And I'm here to talk to you about the Elvie Stride breast pump. I've been using this pump for a couple of weeks, and I have some thoughts. The Elvie Stride is a hands-free breast pump with a wearable motor. The shape of the collection cups is really nice and slim. This sort of gasket here means that it's very leak-proof. Rotating caps make it so that you can position tubing in any direction, which was really convenient. The pump comes with 24mm flanges, and I personally needed inserts to make that fit better. The inserts started to become a little uncomfortable for me around the 10 to 12 minute mark. The nipple alignment is very important. It's a bit of a production to put back together. I found that I was washing a lot of parts. It is more leak proof, but dealing with all of these pieces is kind of a to-do. One nice feature of Elvie pumps is that they link up to an app so you can keep track of your pumping sessions. The hands-free aspect of this pump is definitely its best feature. You'll be able to do other things while pumping, still get a pretty good pump. Overall, I would say that this is a good pump, especially if you're somebody pumping on the move. But if you're someone more like me who is only pumping as a supplement to your breastfeeding journey, I would tend to choose a different pump. Of course, everybody's experience is different, everybody's boobs are different, everybody's baby is different. I hope this information is helpful and you find the right pump for you.
If you're a busy mom, you need a wearable pump, here's my thoughts on the Willow 360. I'm Christine, mom of 3, member of the What to Expect community. I like the option of using the reusable container insert or the storage bags. I personally use the reusable one when I'm at home. With this pump, I can quickly latch, discreetly have them in my bra, and feel secure walking around. It has a dull noise, and I notice they are a little larger than other wearables, but I wear them while doing chores around the house since they stay put, and I can even track my output on the app. My milk production is very comparable to other pumps, and the storage capacity is sufficient for me. If you're a busy mom or have other littles at home, I would definitely recommend the Willow 360 to make your life easier.
Hello, my pumping people. Let's talk about the Elvie wearable breast pump. Want to talk about it? Okay, yeah. My co-star needed a nap and she doesn't even know her lines. So. Hi, I'm Jacqueline. I am a professional organizer and a second-time new mom. I've been using the Elvie wearable breast pump for about 3-4 weeks now, and I have some thoughts. The Elvie comes with 2 sets of flanges, 4 collection cups, and some additional parts. Overall design is excellent. The curve is more shallow than on some breast pumps, which makes it really nice for discreet wear. Let me see if I can even stuff this guy in. I'm wearing a nursing bra right now. Like, why did I do that? I mean, can you even tell that it's in there? That's really quiet. Yeah, it's very comfortable. Comes with 2 size flanges, 24mm and 28mm. This is a 21mm. I think all pumps could do better at is including all size flange options within their original packaging. Comes apart simply, easy to disassemble for cleaning. You just push this button and the bottom pops off. Something cool that does come with the Elvie pump is an app. You can track your progress, see how long you've been pumping. You can set timers. Also an auto shut-off sensor, and you can also remove this, add a cap, store your milk directly in the collection cup. It does say that it can hold up to 5 ounces. I did not find that to be true. My pumps consistently shut off between 3 and 3.5 ounces. Overall, I would say this is an excellent pump. Maybe not the best choice as an only pump for someone who is exclusively pumping or an overproducer, but as a supplemental pump and on the go, it's great. We hope this helps.
If you've been wondering about this product, the Haakaa, keep watching because I'm going to show you what it is and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on it. If you are breastfeeding or pumping, probably experience leaking breasts when you're feeding the baby or when you wake up from a long night's sleep. And if you're not an oversupplier, you don't want any of your milk to go to waste. The Haakaa was designed to catch the milk that leaks instead of absorbing into nursing pads or your t-shirt. When I first received my Haakaa, I had no idea how to use it. It looks pretty strange, but it's actually really easy to use. Just flip the flange inside out and squeeze the base, then place it over your breast so the nipple is in the center, and then gently release it so it suctions onto your breast. And the first thing I will say is it is very easy to use. It catches all that milk that would otherwise be wasted. Made from a very sturdy silicone, can be washed with regular detergent and is dishwasher safe. It comes in 4 or 5 ounces. This is the 4 ounce and they cost around $15 to $25, so they're pretty affordable. But there are some things to be aware of. The shape of the Haakaa is a little awkward and not discreet, so you may not be able to hide it easily while using it. It's also top heavy, so make sure you have a cup to sit it in after use or buy the suction basin cap to prevent any devastating spills. The third thing to know about the Haakaa is that it can hurt. I'm constantly adjusting the suction on it when I'm using it because it really sucks onto your breast and can be super uncomfortable. So if you have sensitive or sore breasts, this might not be the best option for you, but what I will say is it definitely works. I recommend the Haakaa. It works well, it is easy to use, and it's cheap enough that if you buy it and you don't like it, you're only out of pocket $20.
OMG, this one wearable breast pump saved my 12-month pumping journey and I want to share it with you. Hi everyone, my name is Shannon. I am a mom of 1 and I am a member of the What to Expect community, and I want to share with you why I love the Momcozy M5 breast pump so much. This breast pump is perfect for anyone, but if you are a working and traveling mom, listen up. Being able to safely use in a car and or around the office was super convenient. Plus, it is perfect for around the home chores and activities, and it also gives you more time to spend with your baby while you're also providing their nutrition. Here's the thing, it's small, compact, not super noisy, easy to clean, and is also discreet enough to wear in various locations like the community, home, and also around other people where you're still feeling comfortable. And for my traveling and working moms, guess what? It comes with a travel bag that is super easy for you to carry along with you. One thing that you can be mindful about of the Momcozy M5 is that it does not come with a monitor to keep up with the time, but it does shut off automatically at 30 minutes. I cannot stress enough how the Momcozy M5 made my pumping journey easy and convenient, and that is exactly what we need as a traveling and working mom. Do not question yourself, get it.
If you're an exclusive pumping mama like me, you know that there's tons of breast pumps to choose from. Hey, I'm Holly, I'm a mom of 2 under 2, I'm an exclusive pumper, and I'm part of the What to Expect community, and I'm going to tell you all about the Momcozy S9 Pro. Some of the features that I really enjoy are that they come with multiple flange sizes, so 17, 19, 21, and 24. I'm constantly running around with a toddler and a baby, so pumping with wearable breast pumps is my absolute go-to. I'm always on the go, and I need something that I can easily pack up and take with me. With the Momcozy S9 Pro, there are multiple levels and it can do a suction or a massage mode. My other favorite parts of this breast pump is that it's easy to clean and there's only 5 pieces that you have to clean per breast pump. The Momcozy S9 Pro is held in with silicone and it snaps in really easily. One of my least favorite things about the Momcozy S9 Pro is that it doesn't have a timer. I normally pump for 10 to 12 minutes at a time whenever I pump, but I have to watch the clock or set a timer when I do. If you are an exclusive pumping mama and you need a good wearable breast pump on the go, I highly recommend Momcozy S9 Pro. Breastfeeding and pumping moms love the idea of having a portable wearable breast pump to use. There are so many options on the market, and how do you know which one is right for you? The Motif Aura is a great option for a portable wearable pump. The pumps are chargeable, so they hold a long battery life. There's decent capacity in the containers, and I like that they use containers that are washable rather than requiring you to use bags. You can either single or double pump. Pumps are controlled with an app that allows you to turn the pumps on and off without having to press buttons on the pump directly. This can be very helpful if you're trying to pump discreetly in a public place, being able to turn off your pump through the app on your phone. The Motif Aura is also a quiet pump. There's not a whole lot of noise coming from the pump motors, which is helpful if you're going to try to pump in a public workspace or just somewhere out in public without people noticing. I also found the pump parts really simple to clean and to buy replacement parts for, which is really essential whenever you're keeping up your pump maintenance.